Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm going to dive right in and move fairly quickly through the tutorial. I have two eyeshadow styles for you again, so let's begin. Starting with the base first, I'm using a hydrating spray from Decay. Then I'm going to correct under the eyes using my NARS Creamy Concealer in Honey. For foundation, I'm using the NARS Sheer Glow. I'm in the shade Syracuse and applying a light layer with a sponge. To brighten the face, I'm using shade Ginger in NARS Creamy Concealer and drawing what looks like angel wings under my eyes. I don't know what I was on this day. I think I had one too many Coronas, so please excuse the silliness. Anyways, I'm using the same sponge to blend this all out. And then I'm going to set with the Charlotte Tilbury powder in medium. This is a lightweight hydrating powder and leaves a very silky finish on the skin. For cream contour, I'm using the Benefit Holistic on the back of my hand and then applying with the same sponge. This is a very emollient formula as well. Most of the products I use here are all sheer to buildable coverage, so the skin looks silky and smooth. I'm going to set this with the NARS Laguna Bronzer. The brush I'm using is the e.l.f. Contour Brush. And for a soft blush here, I'm using MAC's Warm Soul on a Real Techniques stippling brush. Next, I'm applying NARS Fort de France highlighter for that creamy glow. And finally, setting the base with the Scandinavia setting spray. Now onto the eyes. I'm starting with the NudeStix Magnetic Pencil in Putty and giving it a good finger blend before adding some loose powder to set it. For the eyes, I'll be using the NARS Ignited Palette, that is if I can get it open. The first shade I'm picking up is Hammamet 1, and this is going to be my transition shade. Then I'm going to apply Sophia in the crease, and I'm using a Morphe E17 brush. I'm going into Nomea, applying it to the outer V and also diffusing that into the crease color. And then using a clean E27 brush, I'm cleaning out the edges because, say it with me folks, no harsh lines. Next, I'm picking up St. Paul de Venice on a Real Techniques fluffy brush and applying that to the mobile lid. This is a soft satin shade with a peach undertone. Then I'm going to apply some brown liner to the lash lines and tightline only the top lash line since I want the eyes to look soft and hazy. Now mixing Sophia and Nomea and applying that to the bottom lash line. And for the inner corners, I applied Atomic. I applied some mascara just to the top lashes and added some falsies. For lips, I'm lining with the Makeup Forever lip liner in 2C. And the lipstick I used is MAC in the shade The Right Note, and that is my day look complete. Now, in order to transform this into an evening look, I'm picking up Point Noir on a bullet brush and deepening that outer V. I'm bringing what's left into the crease and also onto the bottom lash line. This is going to intensify and contour the eyes. Here I'm softening out any harsh lines with the E17 brush. Then I'm picking up Fuse with my finger. This is my favorite shade in here, and I'm going to press this onto the mobile lids. Next, I'm adding in Heat for the inner corners. And then I'm tight lining with a black pencil liner and blending it out with a small pencil brush. And lastly, I'm going to use Fuse to line under the black liner and bring some sparkle to the eyes. For the lips, I'm going in with the same lip liner. Then I'm applying the Sephora liquid lipstick. I don't have the name, I'll link it down below. And then I topped it off with the NYX lip oil. And that's the day to night look. Perfect if you're in the office or school or out and about and have plans later in the evening. It's a quick way to transition without redoing your entire face or eyes. Please make sure to subscribe and share this video. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!